Kaylin.
Hey. Smell you.
I can smell you.
Smell you, baby.
I can smell you. Up, up, up. Up, up, up. Up the stairs. Up the stairs, not down.
Mommy.
Kaylin, you just want to cheat. You want me to hold your hand and put you up on the slide. You want me to put you up here? Come here. Come here. All right. And yay, good job. You want me to hold you?
Hold you?
You want me to hold your hand? Oh, you want me to put you back up on the slide?
Yeah.
You know this is cheating, right?
Okay.
Come here. Hand. And you go a lot faster if you don't hold my hand.
Get that?
Go on the steps. No, slides go one way. Go to the steps. Go to the steps. Up, up, up. Up. Up, up, up. Kaylin. Go slide. Go slide. Slide. Woo! What does the cat say? What does the bear say?
Okay.